here we have another screen recording on a stress test on a Nissan Leaf. So this is done ideally below 30% state of charge. You can see we've got 11.7%. We need to use full power for at least 10 seconds. You can see on this battery it's got a SOH that's still nearly 90%, even though we've covered 160,000 kilometers in 3 years with this battery. HX is nice and high, so there should be very little resistance to letting the battery flow go. I've put the screen sideways so that we can see the amps drawn on this one as well, because some people like to see that. But anyway, here we go. So we're going for full power, and we just got the throttle nailed to the floor. Up comes the speed. You can see there's almost no variation in the... have to brake because we've got a corner coming. Almost no variation in the millivolt difference, which shows just how strong a battery can be. This one benefits from our 80% charge limiter for normal day-to-day charging. We take it on massive road trips every summer, and we Chademo the blazes out.
In 1 kilometer, turn left to Talgiatka.
Please excuse the navigation, so I don't know how to go home. So yeah, we Chademo the blazes out of it. The last run we did something like 17 Chademo in one go, driving back from central England back to here in Hungary, and there's none of the issues that the batteries that are charged constantly and left at 100%. So, you know, it just backs it all up anyway. All good.